Hey everyone, how are you doing? In today's video, I'll show you re-unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max. First of all, let's appreciate this elegant box. This box is thin and lightweight compared to the previous series. The color on the sides shows what color is your chosen phone. By the way, this iPhone 12 Pro Max was gifted to me by my boyfriend last Christmas. Shout out to you! Thank you so much! Moving on, at the back of the box is the typical information such as accessories, major informations like IMEI, and serial numbers. As you open the box, you will be mesmerized and overwhelmed how big the phone is. I love the kind of gold this iPhone 12 Pro Max have. It's way more different than the other iPhones. They made it like a pale of beige, while the previous models have a rose gold tone. When Apple released to the public its appearance and all other information, at first I didn't like the shape of it, because I feel like it's the vibe of the old iPhones such as iPhone 4 and iPhone 5 models. We are used to seeing round-shaped phones nowadays. As you are holding the phone on the sides, you will see your fingerprints around it. But that I don't mind because I always keep my phone covered with a case. At the back, you get a triple camera lens with different functions. Its lenses are more bigger than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Look how huge it is on my hands. I literally use my both hands while holding it. Otherwise, it will slide down. For the buttons, on the right side is the power on and off, while on the other side is the volume up and down as well as the SIM tray. As I've said earlier, this video is re-unboxing, so I got to set up everything already. So I'll just insert here the actual unboxing video taken by my boyfriend. Now let's switch it on to still feel the excitement when the Apple logo appears. Before iPhone 12 Pro Max, I was using iPhone 8 Plus, which is way more different feels because first of all with the size, appearance, home button, and many more. And now let's proceed to the settings. When my boyfriend purchased this phone, he availed the extended 1-year warranty coverage, such as accidental damage, hardware protection, and the benefit of giving me priority whenever I will contact technical support. It is very important, but of course, cost of you a lot of money. Together with 1-year coverage, they gave me also free access to Apple TV for 1 year, which cost normally like 19.99 dirhams, or let's say 20 dirhams per month. As well as the Apple Arcade, free installation of games for 3 months, which I haven't used yet. Let's check the software update and see if our phone is updated. Ooh, iOS 14.3. Our software is up to date. Now let's proceed to the storage. My iPhone 12 Pro Max storage capacity is 256 GB. And that 51 GB I have is from my iPhone 8 Plus, on which I have 64 GB only. And now my favorite application of all, the camera. I can say that iPhone 12 Pro Max camera really stands out of the rest. Compared to 11 Pro Max, The 12 Pro Max wide angle is more zoomed out. There's new also from the camera settings called Pro Raw. I used it one time but I didn't like the outcome. Or maybe I don't know yet on how to make an angle. If you choose Android than Apple just because you can edit or play around with the widgets or the appearance of your home screen, now Apple released an update to where you can edit and personalize your home screen and widgets. How cool is that? Now let's proceed to the accessories. When it was still a rumor, people get crazy and complained about selling an iPhone without headphones and a charging adapter. And now that is surreal, we still buy an iPhone because an apple is an apple. iPhone 12 Pro Max charging cable is now different with the USB-C to Lightning cable as well as the iPhone 11 series. Since I don't have the power adapter which needs C-Type, I'm still using my iPhone 8 Plus charger. The typical box usually comes with a manual, but this time it is quite smaller. We have here the pin to insert our SIM card, and of course our Apple logo won't be missing. They included all the important informations written in 3 different languages such as Arabic, English, and in French. And now let's move on to our screen or glass protector with a clear case. It is a 360-degree protection. It's mentioned here that this glass is antibacterial. Well, I must say that it is dust-proof, especially on the sides where the dust always stucks. And since I'm using it for 2 weeks now, I did not notice any dust on the sides. Let's pull this thing out. The glass protector was installed right after purchasing. It comes with a small cloth to wipe the screen. This glass protector also is scratch-proof. I used to put it inside my bag with different stuffs and coins, but I did not see any scratch on it yet. The case is soft yet sturdy. It is not a typical clear case that you can buy in the market. It's solid and thick case. It's mentioned also that it don't get dirty or yellowish a few months after, so let's check it out next time. Let's fit this case in. And ta-da! I love how simple yet elegant it is. By the way, as much as I love changing different kinds of case from time to time, I always stick with a clear one because it's very comfortable to hold and especially it don't slip in your hands. Lastly, since the iPhone 12 Pro Max doesn't come with the headphones, I'm still using my iPhone 8 Plus headphones and they were excellent. So that's it guys for my re-unboxing, and let me know in the comment section if you want a review or a performance test. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!